Hello, my name is Anthony, and I am Polygon CKBM and Polygon ID co-founder. And well, very excited to be here and all the interaction with the community.
Yeah, so how was your journey on? Did you manage to come here through the blockchain?
Yes, I mean, it was a very interesting experience, but was a little bit, uh,
Tiresome.
tiresome exactly. Well, especially because we were not allowed to stand up and chat between us. But well, in any case, it was a nice experience, a long trip. Also, I was able to speak with different people. Then, really an interesting experience.
I hope you saw the animals along the way.
Yeah, I mean elephants, some zebras. Yeah, very interesting and a very nice wildlife, of course.
All right, so I'm just curious about what you work on at Polygon. Could you mind to share with the community about what you do?
Yes, well, I am one of the 8 co-founders, no, and right now I'm very focused on maybe BD with BD, also finance, HR, and lately also very involved on Polygon ID. And yes, I mean, I'm a little bit everywhere trying to fix problems or trying to support the network as much as I can.
Amazing. So we should look forward to some amazing problem-solving tech from Polygon. So I just have like a question about what's your take on the ZK and optimistic rollups?
Well, I think that both of us we are trying to solve the same problem with different approaches. No, then also it's true that optimistic has been live for longer period, but well, I think that also ZK Rollup has a lot of advantages that we need to prove in the next months, and I see them as a collaborators and trying to sort out one problem that otherwise would have killed Ethereum, and is that the problem of the scalability. Then we have the same target at the end, and very happy to be here with them and to collaborate with them.
What's the target at the end of and yeah, probably you can share the target that you envision to be
Well,
both
what I envision
rollups.
is that in now, obviously, for a technical reason, and this is what I explained yesterday during my keynote, is that we will have a common aggregation layer, first between the ZK rollups of Polygon. Later on, I guess that we will be able to onboard more other ZK rollups, and finally, also the optimistic will be part of this interoperability layer. No, that's what I see, and maybe in 3, 4, 5 years this will happen, and yes, I think this will be very beneficial for the user.
Yeah, that's an amazing take, and I'm looking forward to what Polygon Labs. Is it Polygon Labs? Yeah,
Yes.
Polygon Labs is working on, and yeah, because it was just a short speech about what people are doing in Safari. I won't take much of your time so that you can enjoy also, and probably some closing remarks from you.
Well, I only can say that here I have seen very interesting projects, great developers. I think that the potential from Kenya and Africa is amazing.
Mhm.
Then I can only encourage you to continue working, to build, and to really to reach out to us in case you need something. And yes, congrats and continue with this path because this will be amazing. Thanks.
Uh, um, that part caught my attention. Actually, what kind of solutions or other problems are you looking at so that you can probably support devs in this part of the world? What kind of problems are you looking at
No,
to incubate
yeah, no, it's not that I am looking for specific projects. I am looking for interesting projects.
interesting
And
projects?
here, the people know the problems and how to solve it better than me. Then, obviously, I am not monitoring or saying exactly what needs to be done, but I have seen very interesting projects on payments, on RAM and off RAM, also on carbon offsetting, on farming credit. I mean, I think that all of these could be really interesting, and I encourage the people to continue like that.
Amazing. I'm actually amazed that you are open-minded and you leave the problems to the people who are experiencing them to kind of work on them. Then Polygon Labs have offered to support uh, the the problem solvers, which is a good thing for devs. And maybe could you talk about some future expectations from the Polygon Labs department?
No, as I said, I think that the future is in Africa and in LATAM. Is where
Mhm,
I think that the infrastructure will be more required.
mhm,
And apart from that, I am looking for real use cases and how to fix it.
mhm.
But it's not that I see a specific use case. I encourage the people to bring ideas, to have self confidence to build it, and obviously from there we will try to support as much as possible.
Thank you so much. I
Okay,
encourage you to enjoy your safari as much as possible and listen to my podcast at DYOR with
of course,
with you.
we'll do it. Thanks for everything.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thanks.
All right. Can I give you my card?